Ever wonder why two people can buy the exact same amount of Bitcoin on Gemini and walk away with completely different fee receipts? When I first started trading on the platform, I was paying almost 2% in convenience fees without even realizing there was a way to avoid it. After a year of testing different times and interfaces, I've found that the when matters a lot less than the how, though timing still plays a subtle, hidden role in your final price. The real fee killer: interface over timing. If you are using the standard Gemini mobile app or the basic web interface, you are overpaying regardless of the time of day. I learned the hard way that Gemini charges a 1.49% transaction fee plus a 0.5% convenience fee on these platforms. The first thing I did to lower my fees, and what you should do right now, is switch to Gemini Active Trader. You can do this in your account settings under Trading Interface. Just by making that one switch, my fees dropped from nearly 2% to a 0.4% taker fee or a 0.2% maker fee. That is a 90% reduction in cost before you even look at a clock. When timing actually matters, the spread. While active traders' percentage fees are fixed regardless of the hour, the spread, the difference between the buy and sell price, is not. This is where timing comes into play. From my experience, I've seen the tightest spreads and best liquidity during the overlap of the US and European markets, roughly between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. During these high-volume windows, liquidity is highest, more traders are active, meaning your limit orders, maker orders, are filled faster. Slippage is lowest. If you're making a larger trade, you won't move the price against yourself as easily as you would at 3 a.m. on a Sunday. Weekends versus weekdays. I used to think trading on the weekend would be cheaper because things are quiet, but the opposite is true. On weekends, liquidity on Gemini often thins out. While the exchange fee stays the same, the price volatility increases. If you're using market orders, you might end up getting a slightly worse fill price because there aren't as many active orders on the books to match yours. My personal strategy for lowest fees. Always use Active Trader. Never use the basic buy button on the app. Use limit orders. By placing a limit order, being a maker, I pay 0.2% instead of the 0.4% taker fee. Midweek, mid-morning, I aim for Tuesday through Thursday during U.S. business hours to ensure the price I see is the price I actually get. If you're looking to minimize every penny, stop worrying about the clock and start changing your interface settings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.